Want to turn animation into income without being a pro animator? Here's how to make money with Animaker AI in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Go to animaker.com and sign up. It's a drag-and-drop AI video platform, great for explainer videos, ads, and social content. Step 2. Pick a niche, like business promos, faceless YouTube videos, educational content, or animated ads for small businesses. Step 3. Use Animaker's templates and AI voiceovers to create professional-looking videos fast. No design or editing skills needed. Step 4. Monetize by selling video services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to local businesses. Starting a YouTube automation channel with monetized animated content. Creating animated courses or Instagram reels for brands. Offering white label content creation for agencies. Step 5. Build a portfolio to showcase your work and start charging higher rates as your quality improves. Step 6. Promote with samples on LinkedIn, TikTok, or a one-page site, and scale with recurring clients or video packages. In 2025, AI animation is in high demand. Animaker lets you ride that wave with zero studio overhead.